Hello, Tomlin here. I wanted to share a little bit of the process of building my Chromatic Harmonica School curriculum, and I'm going to give you a look at what I'm working on for month 3. Now, this school is aimed at diatonic players who are starting to learn chromatic harmonica and want a clear musical way into it without feeling overwhelmed or lost. This month's module builds on our work in third position blues. Up to now, we've been getting comfortable moving around the instrument and playing over the 12-bar blues progression. In month 3, the main focus is learning the 1, 4, and 5 chord arpeggios and using them musically. Arpeggios are a really powerful tool because they help you hear the harmony as it moves through a 12-bar blues. Instead of guessing what might work, you're playing notes that directly outline the chords. We also start using those arpeggios for improvisation rather than running shapes up and down. I show you how to turn arpeggio notes into real blues phrases that sound connected and intentional. On the ear training side, we work on figuring out riffs by ear that use the notes from the arpeggios, and that helps you to recognize where ideas come from and makes it much easier to create your own lines. The goal here isn't memorizing licks, it's about understanding what you're playing, hearing it clearly, and becoming more independent on the instrument. If you'd like to find out more about the Chromatic Harmonica School and be part of the very first group of students going through it, you can click the link below. Happy harping!